If you're wondering how to file an EPS on Xero, you're in the right place. Whether you're managing your business's payroll or just learning the ropes of Xero, this quick guide will show you exactly what you need to do to file an EPS correctly. Now, before we jump into the details, did you know you can start using Xero completely free with exclusive bonuses through the link in the description below? Stick around until the end and I'll tell you more about that extended free trial. Let's start with the basics. EPS stands for Employer Payment Summary. This document is essential when you're submitting payroll information to HMRC, particularly when you're reporting things like payee deductions or reclaiming statutory sick pay. Xero makes this process incredibly simple. First, you'll need to make sure that your payroll is set up in Xero correctly. If you've already entered your employees, their pay rates and tax codes, you're halfway there. Go to the Payroll tab from your Xero dashboard, then click on the Pay Runs option. Now this is where you'll find the option to file your EPS. Once you're in the Pay Run section, click on Reports and select HMRC Submissions. From there, you'll see the Employer Payment Summary option. Make sure to double check that everything is correct before proceeding. If you're paying employees under the pay system, ensure all deductions, like tax and national insurance, are up to date. If you're applying for things like the employment allowance or reclaiming statutory sick pay, Xero has fields where you can include these details. Once you're ready, click on the File button. Xero will automatically submit your EPS to HMRC, saving you the hassle of manually entering this information. After filing, Xero will give you a confirmation that the submission was successful. If there are any issues, it will notify you right away so you can make adjustments. But that's not all. If you're new to Xero, you might find it a bit overwhelming at first. That's why I recommend taking full advantage of their user-friendly tutorials, which will help you not only with EPS filings, but with all the other features Xero has to offer. Just a quick tip before we wrap up. Xero also helps you keep track of deadlines for your submissions. You won't have to worry about missing important dates when filing your EPS or any other payroll reports. It's a great tool for simplifying payroll management, especially when you're busy running a business. Remember, if you want to try Xero for free, make sure to click on the link below for an extended trial. It's the best way to get familiar with all of its powerful features without any commitment. So, to recap, filing an EPS on Xero is simple, fast, and incredibly efficient. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to submit your employer payment summary with ease and avoid the stress of manual reporting.